Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the forecast for Bank Nifty for the upcoming week till expiry. I'm not saying about the forecast for the entire week, it is till expiry. Okay. Before going into our video, I request all the new members to subscribe and stay connected in our channel. Also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button, which is the notifications icon, so that you will get notifications whenever we post videos in our channel. It might be helpful for you. Now going into Bank Nifty research. For doing this, I have opened Bank Nifty spot charts on daily time frame, added couple of marked support, couple of supports and resistance areas. Along with that, added two different moving averages. One is 20 and the one is 200. Bank Nifty exactly took hit the resistance of 200 moving average, and then slowly it dropped down and then hit the 20 moving average. Now it's high time for Bank Nifty to perform as it is last week of the series. So in the upcoming week, that is from 28th to 31st of March, I would not get surprised if Bank Nifty outperforms Nifty on the higher side, as long as it is not breaking 35,000 and closing below that. Why I say 35,000? Even though this 35,170 is the 20 moving average, it is just a psychological number. There is nothing, no big logic beyond that. Okay. To be exact and to be precise, the number will be 35,170, which is the 20 moving average. Even if that breaks, we will take support somewhere near 34,950 to 35,000 levels. That is why I have said 35,000 levels. Okay, don't break too much of your heads and think that where exactly this 35,000 is coming. How come this fellow saying that? Don't break your heads too much. It is very simple. Okay, you all of you very well know that I always do very simple kind of research. Okay, so on the higher side, if this particular zone holds 35,000 holds, the initial target will be 36,050 odd levels, which I have marked over here, 36,059 odd levels. If this particular level is breached, as of present situation, we would not say whether it will be breached or not. If this particular level is breached on the higher side, it's taken out on the higher side, 100% sure there will be a 200 DMA test within this expiry. Remember, within this expiry, which means in next 4 days. Don't think that it will come in own sweet time over a period of time. I'm saying this 600 point move will come within this expiry, no matter whether the breakout happens on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday. There are possibilities that it may breach on Thursday and then it will not hit the particular level. But within the 3 days, Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, if this level is taken out, 100% sure we can play on the long side for next 650 points of move. So based on this, I would like to suggest two different call options on certain conditions. Okay. So the first call option would be, better you people do one thing, add both these strike prices, 35,500 and 36,000 strike price calls into your watch list. And if by any chance Monday post the gap up opening, if Nifty and Bank Nifty both drops, Nifty we have already said that when it opens gap up and when it comes to the previous day closing somewhere near that, we can take a 17,300 call. Likewise in Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty probably if Nifty is opening on the higher side, Bank Nifty will also open on the higher side. Okay. Post that, if there is a drift towards this zones, 35,400 zones, previous day's close, 35,300 to 400 zones, we can take a 36,000 call. This particular one, 36,000 call. Okay, the last tick is 364, but we all very well know that Nifty as well as Bank Nifty both surged in last 10 minutes of the session on Friday, which means the adjusted closing will be definitely less. Even if you see this, the last price, the last price would be somewhere near 3, yeah, it is saying 364, but the close is saying 344 only. Okay, likewise price would get adjusted because of the last 10 minutes move, and most probably it will be on the downside only. Why? Because the weighted average price will be taken for the entire 30 minutes from 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Okay, so the condition is when Nifty opens with a gap up, Bank Nifty opens with a gap up, sit aside and just wait and watch. Don't take a put considering that it will drop down. If it drops down, there is a condition. If it drops down towards 35,300 to 400 odd levels, we can play a 36,000 call as hero or zero trade for the month. And by any chance, if it breaks 35,400 and moves towards the support zone of 35,000, at that stage you can even take a 35,500 call. So both calls you can take based on the fund availability of yours. And as usual, never trade more than one lot, because none will become richest in just one day of trading. It will take several years for us to become rich. So try to trade with one lot or two lots maximum and grab the opportunity whenever it comes. And what will be the target for this? That will be your main question. If we are buying 36,000 call when there is a drop towards 35,400 odd levels, the initial target would be 36,059. So when we reach 36,000, you can book profits, or else in between, if you are happy with 30-40% profits, you can book and exit. And same way, if it drops towards 36,000 levels, 35,000 levels, and you are taking a 35,500 call, you can hold it as long as Bank Nifty is not closing below 35,000. If it is not closing below 35,000, definitely it will, at least worst case scenario, test this 36,500, 36,050 levels, which means this particular call, which is at 595, the last tick, probably the adjusted closing would be somewhere near 550 or 560, like that. This price would reach somewhere near 250 to 300 when Bank Nifty goes to 35,000 levels. and if it's not closing below 35,000 levels, you are going to hold the positions for minimum target of 36,050 odd levels, which means that 250 will become 550. Those who have patience and those who have guts can hold this position. And on the same way, if you are satisfied with 40% of 30% profits, you can book and exit anytime whenever you are happy. Okay. On both cases, 36,000 call as well as 35,500 call, the stop loss will be 35,000 Bank Nifty spot. If Bank Nifty closes below 35,000 on a given day, be it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, you are supposed to exit the position with losses. You are not supposed to hold the position anymore. So I believe I have made you a clear video with clear directions. Please follow the given directions and given levels. Don't rush and jump into the market on Monday morning assuming that it will not give a dip at all and move on the higher side. There will be definitely a dip because market condition is like that. It will not be a one-way kind of rally in this kind of market. VIX needs to go below 17 for seeing that kind of rally. It will be a gap up and then it will be a follow up and it will move on like one-way direction. Now, since VIX is being a higher more than 20, 22, 23, okay, see here it is 23 now. So there are very good chances that we will see movements on both sides of market. Don't ever try to capture all the movements of markets. That is highly impossible even for a professional trader. Even a professional trader will do trades, very limited trades, and make profits as soon as he gets ends the day with profits. Maybe even in first 1 hour or 2 hours, he will not trade for the he or she will not trade for the day, remaining day. Okay, but we small traders, retail traders, we think that we can capture all the moves of market, 500 points up move and 500 points down move. We can buy a call, we can buy a put, we can make handsome money. We will become the richest person in the world by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening when market ends. That is not the reality. Please believe in reality. Don't believe in fancy statements given in Telegram channels, Facebook or Twitters or WhatsApp or whatever the social media which you follow. Okay, only 5% of the Telegram channels are providing genuine services. All the remaining 95% Telegram channels are fakers and fraudsters. I can prove it live to you if you wish. So please don't dream like that. Trade with limited lots, maybe 1 or 2. That is more than enough for making money. That this is my sincere advice for you people. Please do follow it. Don't ever think that you can become gain handsome money in one day, because it may happen in a day, maybe once in a month, twice in a month, but all the remaining days you will become in losses. Okay, so please follow this. I am saying this repeatedly for several years. Few are following, many are not following. At some point in time, I am getting messages saying from people, sir, I lost huge money because of over trading. It becomes very unhappy for me that despite saying, giving all these advices, people are doing over trading. That is a very seriously disturbing factor. Okay, whatever, past is past. At least change from now onwards. Like always, I will add all our Telegram channels link in the description of this video. I would like to remind you once again, if you are a newcomer, please subscribe to our channel and stay connected over here. We will post similar videos like this and some educational videos wherein you can learn markets in a simple and simplest format. Have a good day all. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.